Welcome back, MathLovers. Today I've got to share you a rank of the word shortcut, which will be very helpful for your JEE main and any other entrance examinations. So, what is rank of the word? For example, I'm given three letters. I'm asked to make words using those three letters. I can actually start writing at ATC with or without meaning, CAT, CTA, TAC, TCA. I was able to make six words, and these are their rankings: rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, rank 6. It won't be very tough for me to do this because it's limited number of letters, and I'm also having limited number of words. But when it becomes more, it will become difficult. So for that, I got a shortcut for you. So let's do it for India. So they'll ask me like to find the rank of the word India. If suppose the total number of words that can be formed out of these alphabets I, N, D, I, and A. So if you can actually count it, there are five letters. So 5 factorial ways, but there are two identical letters I. So for that, you have to divide it by 2 factorial because you cannot distinguish between their positions. So totally, there are 60 words that can be made using these letters. But out of which, if someone is asking me the rank of this word India, so what we have to do first? First, we have to write as per the alphabetic position. So as per alphabetic position, A is the first alphabet, followed by you will get D as the second alphabet, and then I will come as the third alphabet. There is two places I is there, and N will be your fourth alphabet. Now, what we need to do is, with respect to every alphabet, you need to look towards the right of it, and how many are less than that. You need to write it down. For example, with respect to this I, less than 3, how many are towards the right? So 4 is not less than 3, 2 is, then 3 is not less than 3, and 1 is. So there are two alphabets which is less than the position of 3. So these two, this and this. So I will write 2 here. Okay. And next, with respect to 4, to the right side of it, how many are less than that? So there are three things, and all the three are less than that. So I'll write 3 here. So with respect to 2, I'm saying how many to the right side of it, how many are less than that? There's only one thing less than that. With respect to this 3, there's only one thing less than that to the right side, and with respect to this last one, there's nothing right of it, so 0. Okay, and now we will start putting factorials as such. So this is 0 factorial. Start putting that. 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 4 factorial. And also, when you write these rankings, for example, you have to check to the right side of I, this I, there is only distinct letters. To the right side of D, there are only distinct letters. To the right side of N, there are only distinct letters. But to the right side of this I, this particular I, there is one more I. So, which means there are two identical I's with respect to this I. So, you have to divide this portion by 2 factorial. Now, multiply them correspondingly. Multiply all of this correspondingly. So 0 into 0 factor will be 0, 1 into 1 factor will be 1, 1 into 2 factor will be 2, 3 into 3 factor will be 3 into 6, 18, 2 into 2 by 2 factor will just become 1, 1 into 4 factor will be 24. Add all of this and finally add plus 1 to get the rank of this word India. So 24 plus 18, 42, 42 plus 2, 44, 44 plus 1, 45, 45 plus 1, 46. So 46 is the rank of this word India. Okay, I'll give you one more example. So suppose I'm doing for the most is very famous example, mother. So as per alphabetic questions, start putting rank first. So based on that, like E will be the first thing, which is the fifth alphabet. You know that, and followed by like H will be the second letter. Yeah. And then there is M, O, T, and R. So M will be the third thing, followed by O will be the fourth, R will be the fifth, and T will be the sixth. Now again, as I said, with respect to every letter, look to the right side of it and write the number of positions which are less than that. So with respect to M, which is third in position, so right side of it, how many are less than that? So this 2 and 1 come less than that. So I'll have to write 2 here. With and there's all distinct letters only in this word mother. With respect to O, to the right, which is fourth in position, if I see the right side of it, what are less than that, I identify there are again 2. With respect to this T, which is sixth in position, if I see the right side of it, there are 3 things. So 3. With respect to this H, there's only one thing to the right side of which is less than that. With respect to the C, to the right side of it, there is nothing less. So 0. With respect to R also, there is nothing right of it. So then start putting 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, and start multiplying them correspondingly. So I'm multiplying all of them correspondingly. So I'm getting 2 times 5 factorial, it will be 2 into 120, 240, followed by 2 into 4 factorial, that will be 2 into 24, 48, followed by 3 into 3 factorial, that's 3 into 6, 18, followed by 1 into 2 factorial, that will be 2, 0 into 1 factorial, that's 0, 0 into 0 factorial, 0. So add all of this and put plus 1 to this addition. So 240 plus 48, 288, 288 plus 20, 308, 308 plus 1. 309 is the rank of this word mother. If all of this 6-letter word, which is 6 factorial ways, will be there for the arrangement of this. In the 720 possible words, 309 will be the ranking of the word mother. Hope you enjoyed the shortcut. Thank you.